Recording. No recording is started. See, if you give capital Y, you may get it or not. We may see quickly some options. I think people can easily understand. I think chapter 4. I am in chapter 4. Chapter 4. Where is chapter 4? This one. See, LSC is, I think yesterday we finished it, right? Where is the date format? How to remove directories? No, first we need to go for chapter 4 itself. See, we want to go for a date. Yeah, see, here date commands various options. Just observe date plus D, date plus D, only day only, M only, month only, year only, year with two digit, year with four digit, to display only hours values in 24-hour scale format, to display only minutes value, to display only seconds value. Yes or no? The same way. This format already just now I provided, right? Observe here. This format just now we finish. Now in the same way, we need to go for file name with we need to specify log. We need to specify log. See what they are specifying. Touch is creating file name. For file they want to add date format. They want to add date format or they want to add time format. They quickly guide me. How can I create a file in this format? How can I create in this format? Anyone can guide me. See touch touch. What you want to create? File name. Which file? Maybe log file. Log file. Log file. With with maybe day extension or hours, minutes, seconds. There hyphen or maybe you may give colon hyphen dollar sign. There date plus percentage symbol. We'll take first hours, first capital H, then what you want to do, then hyphen, percentage capital M, then percentage capital S, capital S. There I want to attach for this, then I want to add log, then I want to add log. After this, I want to add log. Even double quotation is not necessary. Anyway, I am giving log. What happened here? Spelling correct only or any missing is there? Check it and tell me. Any missing? One, two. Anything special? Please respond. Anything going wrong? I hope this is the right format. Yes. Now see ls hyphen l. Quickly respond. Just now we got created one log file with hours, with the minutes, with the seconds, with the extension is .lh. When can we go for such type of representation? For back, for taking, at the time of taking, at the time of taking backup, the time of taking backup. I hope you got the clarity. Now good to go. Now see the things. Now check it and tell me any difference is there, any problem. See, even double quotation they started here, the double quotation they ended here. I think without double quotation also I can create. I'll try for without double quotation. We'll check it that is possible or not. Maybe touch, touch. I'm giving Lakshmi, LAKSHMA Lakshmi. There, maybe I don't want to use spacing also. Dollar sign. There, date. There, I need to go with plus sign. Percentile, just capital D. I am giving like this. dot log. What happening here? No such file are direct. No such file are direct. Then you must provide that we are learning. No, it may work. What was the problem? What was the problem? No, there hyphen. Spelling correct only, right? See, touch touch cannot no such file or directory. What was the problem? Anyone can check it and tell me. Previous scenario accepted or not? touch touch. Any problem according to syntax? Quickly observe and tell me. Observe and tell me. They specified, even I specified. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Quickly guide me. Anyone? Where did I problem? Where did I problem? Srikant, tell me. What was the problem here? Touch cannot. In previous scenario, this is accepted. Now, what was the problem in the sense? File may not create in that format. Oh, I understood. Yeah, this format file may not create. That's why you go for D hyphen percentile M hyphen percentile Y. Now it will agree. Now check it. Did I provide any quotations? Quickly observe and tell me. Anyone? Did I provide any quotations?
No, sir.
No, without quotations also acceptable. We may check it ls hyphen l with Lakshmi some name with Lakshmi LA. Stop. Such files are there or not? Check it. Is it got created or not? Yes, it got created. Don't give single quotations, ma. Either you may give double quotations or you may give what is that? No quotations. I may show you what was the problem in single quotations. See, in the same way, in the same thing, I am going to give Lakshmi one, assume Lakshmi one. What I am trying to give single quotation. Observe what happened. If I give a single quotation, it may created. You are very happy. But log, not log, ls hyphen l, what happening? Observe. See something going wrong. What it is going wrong? Observe here. Lakshmi one. Is it right file format? Yes, at least yes or no? Is it right file format?
No, sir.
No. Even file not created properly. But this is a file only. But this is not human readable format, not human understandable format. Why? Now try to understand. I am going to write something. Never forget this note. In Linux, in Linux, uh, we never use we never use USE. Correct only, right? Use single quotations. Single quote. You may ask, no, no, sir, I want to use single quotation. Yes, you can give. When you can give, if there is no command. See, I'm going to echo, welcome, valid. Echo, double quotation, welcome, valid. Echo, single quotation, welcome, valid. These three are equal priority. There is no difference up to this. When was the problem? When it may create a problem. When it may create a problem. Now echo, welcome to DevApps Azure. Welcome to DevApps. Welcome to DevApps. I want to add one variable. What is the variable name is? Name is equal to DevApps. Assume. Echo, welcome to DevApps. What I want to print? How to print here? Welcome to space $sign A. Is it valid or invalid? Anyone can guess it? Maybe valid or invalid. We may apply here. See, this is the variable. This is the variable. This variable I want to print. Variable value I want to print before the variable which is mandatory. Dollar sign is mandatory. I may apply now. You may get the clarity. See, name is equal to dev apps. Dev OPS. Now echo, welcome, welcome to space, dollar sign, name. Check it. Am I getting output or not? Now, second case. I may go and apply double quotation. I'm ending with the double quotation. This is the second case. Again, I may get the output. Third case, observe. Third case. What is the third case? Single quotation. It is the single quotation. What happening? Observe and tell me. Welcome to, welcome to. Am I getting output? At least record. Am I getting output? Output is getting proper output, yes or no? I am not
No, sir.
getting proper output. I am not getting proper output. Why I am not getting proper output? If you use single quotation, it will print like a static content. Static content. Even today morning, you have seen which one? Their file folder and a templates folder. In file folder, which type of file Marconas are got created? Index.html. Index.html. Even though that file you may mention double curly brace. Again, closing with double curly brace. It will treat it like a static file only. Static file. A static file means not able to modify. Not able to. Not AB. What is the spelling? ER. ABLE. What is the spelling
ABL.
of AB? Am I right?
ABS.
Not
Yes.
able to maybe modify. Not able to. If it is dynamic, we can change it runtime, runtime modification. My real time nowadays, dynamic only preferable. Static is not preferable. Why in the market? Why in the market? These technologies are powerful. JSP, ASP, PHP, and Spring Boot, Spring Boot. At least you know the terms. I think Spring Boot. Many people know the words, right? At least, are you agree with me? Can you give the abbreviations for that? At least one or two abbreviations. Anyone can guess it. If you know it, try to tell me the abbreviations. Minimum. Some people may have minimum programming knowledge.
JSP means JavaScript.
Java server pages. Java server pages. Good. Next. At least you know little bit. Next one. Based on that, I think very easy to tell. SP already you know, right? Many people know. SP means server pages. A means active server.
Active server.
Yeah, very good. Active server pages. Madhuvadi is very active. That's why active server pages. Okay, good. PHP. PHP. At least Google it, ma. You may know little knowledge. At least Google it. At least these names, you need to know. Yesterday, my brother had a little problem in that deployment. I'm sharing something. Okay, one area is running, another area is not running. Okay, they are using the word app pro two words. I'm asking, hey, app what it will do, pro what it will do. I don't know what they will do. See, without knowing how can you deploy now? Are you understanding or not? Without knowing what it will do, how can you deploy? You know, I think everybody know here in this area, other than I think Karunakar, I think Helm, Helm install. What is the name we are giving? Simply dot, right? I think many people know. After that, what is the name? Release name. If you feel this is your duty, is it really this is your duty? Quickly respond. Those who are having minimum knowledge, this is your duty. This is one of your duty. See, simply I can go with some technical words. This is part of your duty. This is not heart of your duty. What is the heart of your duty? You may enter into chart. You may try to modify values.yml. If you require, you may go for deployment.yml. There you need to modify some values. Are you agree with me or not? Why I am telling to that one in the sense, as a DevOps engineer, you need to enter internal things. If you those who are entering internal things, they won't fear, they can easily work with real-time environment. That is my intention. Whether it is possible or not, leave it. But really possibility is that you are very happy to work with. You are very happy to work with. Yes or no? Quickly respond. Good to go. Where we stopped. Actually, I moved to other area, right? I hope you got the clarity. ASP, JSP, PHP. Nowadays, Spring Boot is one of the wonderful microservice architecture. I think that is also, What is the use of microservice architecture? Anyone quickly guide me? What is the use of microservice architecture? At least your one sentence. Nowadays, wherever you see microservice, one complex task can be subdivided into small subtasks. Each subtask is nothing but one service we are calling as a microservice. Now, microservices are nothing but containers. Microservices are containers. See, we can able to communicate container to container. Is it possible or not? Quickly respond. Containers can able to communicate, yes or no? At least tell me. Those who are seniors. Am I audible or not? Quickly respond at least. Many people are
Yeah,
not,
audible.
yeah, audible, but not interacting. I don't know why. I think someone is trying to join, right?
Shivashankar.
Shiv Shankar. Shiv Shankar, good evening. Okay. Now, where we need to go? Where is that untitled? See, why I am asking a question in the sense, this is a container, this is a container, this is a container. Generally, where we can create containers, at least quickly respond. I hope already you are having little knowledge, right? Where you got created containers? Into tools. Just generally, we got created containers. Which tools at least respond the tool names? Madhuvani, I'm expecting from your side at least. One is I'm giving clue, ma.
Dog.
Yeah,
Doc,
yeah, second one, K,
Kubernetes.
yeah, Kubernetes, K it is. Yes or no? Have you got created containers or not? See, each container we can consider as a one microservice. One microservice to microservice communication happens. But in Docker, why they use a Docker network concept? Why they use Docker network concept? Anyone quickly tell me? Why they use Docker network concept? There we can specify which containers wants to communicate with each one. Which containers are able to communicate. I am having 10 containers. I don't want to communicate all. I can specify these two wants to communicate. Only these two. Others not able to communicate. Others don't want to communicate. Which type of network quickly respond? Others I am expecting from voice side. Only these two want to communicate. Others don't want to communicate. Shall I give the clue or you can tell it?
Cluster IP.
At least I given the CBL. Don't think Chandrababu Naidu. C means I may give a simple clue. Custom. Custom. B means
Custom bridge network.
yeah, custom written network. See, I am giving clues. Why I am giving clues? In interview also they may ask. We don't know what they may ask, right? At least we are having little knowledge. We are having good knowledge. At least we may cover it. If you cover it, at least they may feel, oh, he is having little knowledge. At least once he join our company, he may learn new things. Okay, we are moving to our subject. That is one of my problem. I may move somewhere else also. Okay, anyway, I'm in the document. My here calendar command now not working. I'm install calendar. I'm install calendar. We will work on that. Now working with the directories. This is one of the powerful. This is the one of powerful command. Already you know, right? You know. I make a very simple story. I make a very simple story. I want to create a directory and also I want to delete a directory. Tell me command. Command is mkdir. Mkdir. Make a directory. Make a directory. Here I want to create a directory dev apps. Yes, I got created. How can I know? ls hyphen l hyphen l. See what is the name? D star I am giving. Check it. With the D, what are the names are available? That name is visible for you or not? Yes or no? In this
Yes.
directory, nothing is visible. Nothing is visible. That's why. Or else we may go for ls hyphen l. See, wherever our name is there, dev apps, very beginning letter, observe what is the beginning letter represents here? D. D represents what? Directory.
That
D represents directory. Yes, I want to remove this directory, man. Without rm command, try to tell me. Without rm. I don't want to use
RDs.
rd is used for Windows environment. This is Linux, right? See, generally you people know rm hyphen rf. What is the folder name? Web apps, right? Web ops. I may apply. Yes. Now ls hyphen l check it. Is it available? Yes or no? No, this is one of the
Yes.
right thing. You have the right to use that command. My question is what? Don't use rm command, but you want to delete our directory. Again, I am creating mk
Del,
dir dev apps. Please guide me.
Dells. The
Again you are in Windows. Again you are in Windows. You are favorite in Windows, I think, right? Favorite for Windows. There in maybe where in Helm we use many times Dell, that's why we may feel like that. See RMDIR. RMDIR apps. Check it. Now again LSI panel. Is it available? But here the question is when do we use RMDIR? If your directory is blank. Blank means tell me blank means what does it mean? Your directory is blank. Blank means what does it mean? If directory is not
Em-
having any files,
empty.
empty, very good. Now again I am creating directory mkdir. Now dev apps, try to understand. Try to understand. Again mkdir hyphen p dev app slash maybe Madhuvani. I created one more directory. Now what I am trying to do? Now what I am trying to do? Maybe rm dir. I may try to give dev apps. What happened, ma? What it is saying?
directory not empty.
I think my example is bad example. I am trying to give. Newly coupled, newly married people, ma. I think wife and husband. I don't know, husband something did that girl, what it may be. She felt that I want to die. That is our concept. Maybe possible, right? Because of nowadays, people are like that only. We may think in that way. She may hang when he will go somewhere. He may hang or hunger. Suppose she had a children, ma, our concept. She had a children. Maybe die or may not be die. Tell me. Quick answer.
May
That's
not,
what. May not. Madhuvani, tell me why may not. You know
because
that.
she'll think about children.
She think about children. That is the what about culture? Are understanding or not? In the same way, this is also thinking about their children. Who is the children? DevApps having one folder or one file MB without deleting that. How can I remove? Ma? Are understanding or not? Yes or no? Got the clarity? Or not?
Yes, sir.
But here
Yes.
see, what is that RM hyphen RM? RM hyphen RF, what I am trying to give? DEV star or maybe DevApps. What happens? Observe me. RM hyphen RF, DevApps. It got deleted. What happens in the sense, RM means remove. REMOV remove. Hyphen this R means here not a reverse mark. Actually, I need to give capital R. In some situations, it may feel the small r also like what? Recursive. RECURSIV. Recursive. You know the meaning of recursive? What does it mean, recursive? It is thinking about maybe my grandma thinking about my mother or father. Again thinking about their children like me. Again they may think about my children also. Nowadays possible or not? That happening or not? Same way they checking recursively inner. If anything is there, first delete that one, again come back, delete that one, again come back, delete the last one. Now got the clarity? You know the tree representation. Here tree also may work or not. I may give click my mkdir ma mkdir a slash b slash c slash d slash e ma. What does it mean? Anyone can guess it? I'm making a directory within A B, within B C, within C D, within D E. I want to create. It may work or not. Quickly respond, anyone. Just observe and tell me. It may work or not. Directly, I am not teaching. I am raising a doubt. Then I am giving the clarity because of you won't forget. Generally, I may give command. I may running. I may closing. Your brain will not capture. See, if I press enter, I may get an error. Am I getting an error or not? Why I may get an error? Anyone can quickly guide me. What is the reason? At least guess it.
Hyphen piece.
Yeah. Why I hyphen P require? See, I am A, my children is B. Without marry, there is no my children. Without his marry, he don't have children. Like that, we are thinking this is the path. Oh, in future, I am having B, B is having C, C is having D, D is having E. But I am telling hyphen P. P represent path of the directory. Path of the directory. What does it mean? Hey, A, are you there? No. Create it. Once you create it, check for B. Are you there? No. Create it. See, every time it is checking, are you available? If no, create it. Are you understanding or not? If no, create. If already there, leave it. There, what happened? What happened? Till now, A is not there, right? Very beginning, A is not there, right? Are you agree with me or not? Very first time, A is there or not? DIR. I think A file already there, ma. That's why that is the problem. See, in Linux, file and folder both are same. Already A is there. Already A is there. I may go like this. I may go like this. ABC. This is the ABC is what? One directory. Now it is accepted or not? Try to understand. A is the file, assume. A is the folder, assume. See, already A folder was there. Can I able to create A file? It won't accept. What is the problem? Name conflict. Are understanding or not? What is the problem? Name conflict may occur. That is the problem. That's why it didn't create. Now it got created or not? Yes, it got created. How can I check? How can I check? Maybe tree command is working or not? Tree. What it is telling? Snap info tree or apt install sudo apt install tree. It may work or not. Check it now quickly. Copy it. See why generally people may move to AWS account in the sense in account we won't get such type of problems. It is asking. I think that day I given DevApps only. I think Ramya, tell me the password. I think DevApps only, right? I think I give no APT package tree, but there is no SNAP with that name. There is no SNAP with that name. Sudo apt install. Let me check it. Sudo apt install. Now what it is saying? No package tree, but there is a snap with that name. Try snap install tree. Only we may go with this. It is giving session. Copy it and paste it. Now access denied. Okay. Sudo it is asking. Sudo try for that. Yeah, at least finally succeeded. We may check it. Tree. Yeah, good. Now I'm going to tree space. What is the folder name? Tell me anyone. ABC, right? See what
Yes, sir.
happening here? ABC containing B, B contains C, C contain D, D contain E. Now, Madhuvani, ABC contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B contains 6, 4, 7, 8, 9. Here see, file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. File 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to get it now. See, how can I apply? TOUCH touch. Where I want to create? In ABC. What I want to create? File 1 dot 5. Now, are you getting clarity? Karunakar, what is the folder name?
Yes, sir.
ABC. In that folder,
ABC.
what I am trying to create? File 1, file 2, file 3,
File
file
3,
4, file
file
5.
4, file 5.
By using touch command, you may ask, how can system knows within ABC I am telling to create it. After that, what will you do? Within within ABC, within B, within that file. Now tell me 6 dot dot 10. Are understanding or not? Within ABC, within B. Now shall I press enter? Yes. How can I check it? Tree already used, right? Tree ABC. Now check it. Is it clear for you? Yes or no, Karunakar? Got the clarity? Like this, we can
Yes, sir.
specify. Like this, we can specify. Anyway, I'm going with our documentation. I don't want to go my own way. You may get the clarity. Now see, check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. MKDR directory 1 to create a directory. MKDR directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. Here individually we are creating 3 directories. Here see, what is the difference between 2 and 3? Quickly read and tell me anyone. What is the difference between second point and third point? Just read it once, twice, thrice and try to interact with it.
Make it second point, the different directories will
See,
create.
in second point, I have 3 children, Srinath Kar. I have three children. But in third point, my children having children, again my children having children. I hope you got the clarity. See, within director 1, director 2, within director 2, director 3. But it may, whether it may create or not, leave it. But possibility. See, sometimes if see director 1 already there, then only director 2 will create. Director 2 already there, then only director 3 will create. Whether it is there or not, you will go and create. Which is the best policy? Hyphen P. P means path of directors. Path of directors. We are telling. See, Valmiki wrote Ramayana. After Ramayana, before Ramayana. Quickly tell me. Hello.
After.
All are Indians, right? Before Ramayana started or after Ramayana completed?
Before.
I hope whether you are maybe right. See, in the same way, here we are telling beginning. If this path is not there, going to create. If path is there, no problem. If path is there, no problem. Good. Now see, this is the story they given. Case study. Similar way we got created, right? Check it and tell me. See, they took heroines. Sunny, Katrina, Karina, like that they took. Their file names. This is also folders, man. These are also folders. This is the main folder. This is the Sunny folder. Again, these are the folders. There we're having file names. Is it clear for you? You try it. If any difficulty, I may do it. Now see, similar way, similar fashion. Just now I created or not? MKDR, Sunny, Katrina, Karina. These three different heroines. Each heroine having these three heroines having 12 months up to December. These 12 months having these 2020, 21. These are also sub. These are also directories. Without using touch, all are directories. With using touch, all are files. At least you got the difference, Karnakar. Touch represent by using touch, we can create a file. By using mkdir, we can create a directory. How to remove directory? See here, rmdir. Remove directory. rmdir, each one we are removing. Each one we remove. Each one we remove. Good. Now quickly we need to complete this one. See, RM hyphen R heroines, RM hyphen capital heroines. In this scenario, both are same, I said, right? Yes or no? Both are similar. Both are similar. There is no much difference. Now, what? See, interactive option. What is the meaning of interactive option? We may try in this way, interactive option. See, I'm going to enter ABC, CD, ABC. What is the meaning of CD? Quickly, anyone tell me? Karnakar. Till now, you know CD means change into change into a directory. Entering into a directory is nothing but change directory. Yes or no? Now ls hyphen l. At least tell me. I want to remove this file. I want to remove this file. I want to remove this file. Generally, RM file to assume. File to is it removed or not? We don't know whether it may removed or not. No error means it worked. We may think like that. We may check it. ls hyphen l. But rm hyphen I means interactive. Assume file 3. What happens? See, rm remove regular empty file. File 3. Can I remove it? Is it asking confirmation yes or no? Is it asking confirmation yes or no? We may give yes. What happened? Check it. ls hyphen l. Karnakar, got the clarity or not? See Karnakar,
Yes, sir.
rm hyphen even I may give v. It may work or not. Check it. 4. 4 means fourth file already there, right? See what have you understood, Karunakar? Tell me quickly. What have you understood? Applied remove command. I am trying to remove file 4. Is it really removed or not? Tell me now. We can see the list of removed files. That is nothing but hyphen v. Hyphen v is nothing but verbose. 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 Verbose means only see the list. Only see the list once command is executed. Got the clarity or not? Karanaka, you only tell me. Got the clarity or not? I want to see
Yes, sir.
the deleted information. Now good. Now good. Got the clarity. See what force removal. Sometimes, some situations, maybe you don't know Docker, people may know. We deleted Docker containers, Docker images like that. Like that. See, files generally remove. Many times it may remove. Rare conditions, file may not remove. At that time, you go for RM. Just hyphen F I am giving. File 5. See what happens. Is it removed or not? If directly you are trying, if may not work, at that time what you make you? Hyphen F. What does it mean? Quickly guess me, anyone tell me. What does it
Force.
mean? By force.
Forcefully.
Forcefully. You know the meaning of force. Good. I hope you got the clarity. Now simply you may go for, say I said right, P represent what? Verbose option. Verbose. Verbose means, see, if we want to know the sequence of removals on the screen, we should go for hyphen P option. Now, any new thing? Make directory, make directory, path of the directory, there. Read the first question. Their answer also there. Assume directory 1 is an empty directory. Which of the following command will remove directory? rm dir. rm dir. Now remove dir. rm dir dir. Now del dir. What about first one? May work or not? Check it. May work or not? See, I said RM also, right? Sometime I may go for what is the name they took? DIR, right? See, MK DIR DIR 1. See, RM DIR 1. What it is saying? RM cannot remove director 1. It is a director. Now what to do, ma? Tell me, ma. What to do? By using RM, you want to apply hyphen F. Shall we try in this way? Again, getting error. If I go for R, it may work or not, quickly tell me. It may work or not, quickly tell me. See, R what represents? It recursively check if it is there, try to delete. Here RM also right thing, but what it is not there? RM is there, there is no hyphen or F option is not there. But which is the right option? I said right, if it is empty directory, which is the right command? Which is the right command? RMDR. Remove an empty directory. That is the meaning. Now, see the fourth question. Assume that directory 1 is non-empty directory. Which of the following commands will remove directory 1? RMDR directory 1, RM-R directory 1, RM-I, RM-F, RM-. Why B is, I said right? R means what? Recursively. R means what? Recursively. Now, see the next question. Assume that directory 1 is non-empty directory and text 1 is just a text file. Which of the following command will remove both directory and text 1 successfully? I want to remove everything successfully. RM-R text 1 directory. First what it will do? First it will delete file, then it will delete directory. You may give director 1 also automatically, internally it will remove it. Internally it will remove it. See, in this way we can work with We can work with directives. We can work with directives. See, apply these things. If any difficulty, try to ask me. We may work on it. Here one special thing. One special thing. Now see, I'm having, I'm having, I'm going to apply touch, TO touch. Why? One dot dot ten. Quickly I'm going to tell. Now ls hyphen l. I want to remove any three files. Tell me the file names. Anyone tell me? Quickly tell me. Three files I want to delete. I want to delete specific three files.
1, 2,
rm hyphen rm. 1, 2, 3. Generally, you may go with file 1, file 2, file 3. This is the general nature. I don't want to give like this. What I want to give? File square bracket 1, 2, 3. What does it mean? File 1 or file 2 or file 3. We may check it. It may work or not. ls hyphen l. Is it removed or not? Quickly respond. Is it removed or not? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. Good. Now, see, I am telling anyone can. I don't want to remove 6. I want to remove remaining. I don't want to remove 6. I want to remove remaining. Srinath Garu, just guess it. I don't want to delete 6. Remaining, I want to delete. I don't, maybe here, numbers, suppose you don't know numbers. You want to delete all, you want to place only specific file name. I said only specific file name. Remaining file names I didn't tell. RF, hyphen RF, then exclamation mark, exclamation mark. What is the file name? Quickly tell me. File 5. File 6 I said, right? File 6. Check it. It may work or not. Now ls hyphen. Srinath garu, got the clarity?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Now what I am telling, three files I want to put it, remaining files I want to delete. Now quickly tell me, touch file 1 dot dot 10. Any three files. Now tell me, ls hyphen l. Which, mother what you tell me? Which files I want to place it? Which files I want? Okay, tell me the whatever we require. Three files I want it. Remaining automatically it will be removed.
357
357. Guide me anyone. RF hyphen
RM
RF
hyphen RF
exclamation mark exclamation mark.
exclamatory
Yeah. Now tell me
file 3
file 3
file 7
57. That's
come
me. Yeah. Right. Got it or not? It may work.
yes,
We may check it. No ls hyphen l. Yes or no? Yes or no?
yes.
Either 3 or 5 or 7. Okay. Any other related to remove? See. We'll see the path. Sometimes some areas may work or not. Here I may not touch. Now copy command mark. Okay, here again their status call is there. I may continue the class tomorrow. Now from tomorrow we may take 4:30 to 5:30. I am changing the timings because if I go with 5 to 6, I may stop at before 5 minutes. If 4:30 to 5:30, what is the advantage? If if sometimes I may extend it, I may go up to 5:50 also. I may start the class at 4:30. I may wind at 5:50 hours. We may extend at least 1 hour, more than 1 hour. That is the advantage. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow morning, 7 to 8, a new tool will start. Maybe Jenkins or Maven. Jenkins or Maven. Whether you are interested 8 to 9, I may continue or else we may change the timings. You tell me. I think many people are there, right? You need a patience. Why? Morning 7 to 8, one class. Again, R back. I am telling you, R back is not a simple topic. If you are having patience, then only you can understand. Many things will do it. R back is not a simple strategy. This is a complex strategy. We can easily understand. I may go with that. Tell me quickly, within 1 minute time. Or I may go with night 8 to 9, 8 p.m. Is it okay for you? Yeah. Quickly respond. Morning 8 a.m. is good or evening 8 p.m. is good?
Morning, sir.
Morning 8 a.m. only. For tomorrow morning 8 a.m. we may enter into our bag. Okay? Thank you.
Having has this changes both